Hello! Welcome to my vlog, and I bought Apple Watch Series 6, the blue edition. So, we will do unboxing now. I'm so excited. This one is just, the cost of this one is just 1,719, and I just paid, guess how much? It's just, I just paid 19 dirhams because, I have sponsor. Thank you for my sponsors. Lots of sponsors, actually. And I also bought this one, the case for Apple Watch, the protector. And my friend Jessix, shout out to him, to her. He bought for me. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Ding, ding, ding. This is my first Apple Watch, and it's the latest one. So I don't know if I am doing the correct way of unboxing the Apple Watch. It's super nice. Wow! I waited for so long just to have this watch. Okay, let's do the unboxing. How to do this one? Okay. I don't know how to do it because I'm new. I don't know. I don't want to. It's like that. Okay, like that, and like that. It's the Apple Watch Blue. Okay, so there are two boxes here. One for the watch, and the other one is for the band. So let's do this one first. So we will open this one. The inside, oh my god, this is so beautiful. So I have here the blue watch. So this is the blue Apple Watch. Oh my god, I don't know. La, 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 la. How? By the way, this is 44 mm. I bought the biggest one because, and look at this thing. Look at this small thing. It has the SpO2 sensor, and what's this? And the charger. What's this? The instructions. The instructions are here. It's okay. And this is the charger. I think this is the charger. Okay. I have to charge this one. And okay. So this is the watch. So, and the band is this. It's deep navy sport band. I don't know how to open actually. How to open this thing? Like this. This one. The watch. Ding ding ding. Ta-dang! Why it has how many? Three band. So I have this one and this one. How to? I don't know. I don't know how to. Oh, like this. It's, it open. What the fuck? Ah, like that. Ah, how you like that? Da 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 da. Apple Watch. Apple Watch. How you like that? Da da da. Yeah. So I have watch already. Ding ding ding. So I have to make some protection like this. Yan, ang gulo-gulo. This is the charger. I don't know what's this. Ah. Okay. Okay, so it's like that. How you like that? Da da da. How you like that? So thank you, Apple Watch. And I don't know what happened. It's like this. For how many hours like this? I don't know what happened. So now I'm going to put this protector. Oh, it's rubber. So that it will be scratch free. So I don't know how many hours I will. Eh? Ah, I have to. Ah, there are two. So guys, I think that would be all. And thank you for, because I don't know what happened to this watch. It's always like this. So I think that would be all. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.